Hi, I received some responses from fellow registered energy managers. Some of them shared with me that they have tried to apply some opening on the offer to become the external registered energy manager for some companies that have already received the notice from Energy Commission. Some haven't received yet, but they wanted to look for someone who can become their external registered energy manager, means that they require RAM type 2. They somehow, to some point, they are complaining why this company looking for RAM, but when they submitted the application, they are interested, but somehow the company did not accept them somehow. I think, put it this way, convincing the energy consumer as the external RAM is your first challenge. It's your first challenge how you can convince them that what you can deliver, and how you can help them to comply to the EECA 2024, maybe, or beyond just that. Because for me, when companies are paying for someone either to meet a legal requirement or other purposes, that will be considered a business cost. So business cost means that they are investing, they are putting in money, they are investing. So they are expecting that you can convince them what value you will bring, or you can bring. Not just for the sake of legal compliance. This is something that I learned over the years. Whenever companies spending money, they are investing. That is the business cost. So they're expecting something, some values that whoever they engage for whatever purpose to bring in. That's why even though they need to have the RAM, type 2, but you must convince them. As a RAM, you must convince them. So you have to prepare your own, some kind of proposed so-called mechanism or strategy or plan, how exactly you will perform your job, as a RAM, and how they will benefit from that. Yeah, this is something that you have to be aware. It's not that because they wanted to have someone by law and then they will just hire anyone. No. Bear in mind, you are also competing. Maybe not only you. I believe not only you will apply for that particular openings or positions or vacancy. There are many. You have to compete like others. So like it or not, you have to come up with something convincing. If you just looking at you just merely to, just like last time, just like the REM time, REEM time under the EMEER 2008. That time, yes, because the law did not, that time the regulations did not stipulate many things clearly. I would say almost all quite vague. Okay, so but under this new ECA 2024, the requirement of compliance are most of them are quite explicit. So the challenge is for the potential RAM. If you want to become external RAM, you must look at that requirement and how you can convince them by helping them meeting up all the requirements, and how you can benefit the company. Okay, so that's my opinion on that. So you have to come up with your own so-called business proposal to convince them that you are the one, you are suitable, you can do something, you can bring value as a RAM for them. Okay, that's my opinion on that. So it's a challenge. In fact, that is the ongoing challenge. Even though after you have been appointed, after you are selected, the same thing. You have to keep convincing them. You have to keep showing to them your value. okay, your value to them in the form of something tangible. You have to be able, maybe you have to be able to afford, of course, to meet all the legal requirement, and also the tangible benefits. For example, how you can demonstrate to them their own energy performance improvement. Yeah? How you can play your role as the coordinator, maybe to some point the champion or the motivator, or even sometimes the coach. Okay, even sometimes the technical experts, the guide, providing the guidance to everyone to at the end to ensure that energy being managed efficiently, systematically, and at the same time meeting all the legal requirement under the law. So that's my opinion on, okay, why sometimes you have to accept the fact that sometimes you just not convincing enough. Okay, somehow. So again, that's actually your first challenge. Convince them you are a worthy RAM for them. You have to come up with your own business proposal, just like any other service proposal, to convince your prospect to engage you. Just like how what I've been doing somehow to convince my client or my prospect that they're supposed to, they should engage us, me, or my team at Green Paces Neighborhood as their energy management system consultant and trainer, because we are not the only player. Okay, there are many players out there, so you have to come up with something that we are the one that's supposed to engage. Similar to RAM. Okay, you have to compete with other RAMs that may apply for that particular positions, and you have to convince them as well that you are the most suitable one, the best one for them. Okay, that's my comment about why, okay, some are not accepted, to become a RAM despite the needs for the company to have the RAM by the law. Okay, all the best to everyone.